Hi everyone, I'm Nicole and I'm with Creative Scrapbooker Magazine, and today I'm just going to do a quick little card as spring is coming using the Brea Reese watercolor ink. So I have a combination of watercolor ink, the glitter ink, and a liquid metal ink. So I'm also using the Brea Reese watercolor paper pad. So this is 90 pound. So I've already pre-cut a piece. I don't think this is going to be the size of my piece, but because it's a little bit thinner, I am just going to use a little bit of washi tape to just keep it in place. Just because watercolor paper, when you add water, wants to curl. All right, now that we've put the washi tape in place, just to keep it nice and flat to our craft mat, I'm just going to use some water and I am going to give it a good soak. And it's just as simple. This is the glitter ink called Crimson. I give it a little bit of shake to get the glitter moving. And just one little drop. And look how that spreads. So you can add a little bit of water if you want, just to help it spread some more. Another thing you can do is use a straw and blow it. And that just moves the ink around. And then for this one I want a yellow, so I'm going to use this liquid metal. It's a little more brassy than yellow, but it's so pretty. And just another drop. And heat to dry. You can also lift some of the color with just a little bit of paper towel and then continue to heat. Okay, once it's dry, just remove the washi. For this spring light card, I'm going to use the Flower Garden stamp from Stampers Anonymous. And this one was released a couple years ago. So at this point you can just select any flower that you want, and for this one I'm using the Archival Jet Black permanent ink. So at this point you can either cut it if you want, or you can just tear it. I like to tear. And then I pull it with my fingernails just to give it a little bit of a curl. And there you have a really pretty little card that takes no time at all. Just gonna adhere it with Scrapbook Adhesive, the Easy Runner Grand. And then because I like a sentiment, I'm going to use the Glorious Bouquet. They've got a lot of great little sentiments on here. I like thank you because you can always use a thank you card. And there you have a really simple, quick little card that takes no time at all that you can add to your collection and give away.